Hey everybody, Kay here on my homestead in Tennessee, and I am going to do it. I'm late at everything, let's just face it. I don't know why, I just am. And it's already December the 8th, and I haven't decorated. And it's been on my mind since before Thanksgiving. And here we are. So, better late than never. I just went down to a local church who was pretty much wrapping up their Christmas tree sale. And they had quite a few because they had sent really large trees because there weren't a lot of 7 and 8s and 8 and 9 foot trees. And so he cut down a tree and trimmed the bottom for me, 2 trees. I'm going to have one inside and outside. Yeah, I got to get all this together real fast. But I also got, this is the advantage to actually buying a tree from a tree sale like at a church or something, because it's a charity. They're raising money. So they were raising money for backpacks for needy kids. And I love to be able to help in that way. So I got 2 trees and I bought a birdhouse. It's a cute birdhouse. It's got an asphalt roof, so no worries about rain. And I guess you're supposed to mount it onto a pole or something. There's no handle, there's no hanger. And let me just read what he says on the card. There's a picture of him here. He looks like a very happy man. Let's see if you can see that. Oh wait. Ta-da! His name is Brother Martin, and he's a member of the church, and in his pastime he enjoys making birdhouses. Each house has been made with love, and there's a scripture here that says, "For every house is built by someone, but the builder of all things is God." Hebrews 3:4. So I am happy to support handmade things by local people. So let me set that down, and then I just thought this was really pretty. Isn't this pretty? Oh, it's definitely my color. And it was made by a lady at the church, and it had not sold yet, and they were really shutting things down. And so I thought, sure, I'll buy that. We were lucky to know about the big storm a couple of days in advance, because we had an early storm which had dumped a whole bunch of water, trapped it inside this big green tarp. So I was wrestling around with the tarp when this happened. So I had to get all that water out of the tarp, and people had advised me that in a tornado or severe thunderstorm, those pieces of tin and rocks would just go flying. So it was a good thing that I took it off anyway. So then I had to straighten it out over the whole thing. And ultimately I have decided that I need the good covers, and I'm tired of wrestling with this stuff, because you're going to see more of that in the next video. This is going to be very cheerful on my back door. And it's so pretty. I think maybe I could even make something like that. You see the back, the way it's made? With pipe cleaner. That's lovely. I love that. The sun is behind the ridge and it's 4:08. What? These days are so short. I have to go to bed earlier so I can get up earlier. Oh my goodness. So anyway, tomorrow I'm going to get a jump on my decorating. A tractor. If I get a tractor, I don't want it to be noisy. You know. Anyway, I'm freezing and my hair is still wet, so I'm going to go inside. But thanks so much for watching this channel and liking my videos, sharing them with your friends. And I want you to subscribe. Follow my journey here on the homestead. So click that bell for notifications, scroll down and click all so you won't miss anything right here in Tennessee. See you next time. Tiger, what are you waiting for? Come on, let's go inside. It's cold.